I'm gonna let you guys in on a little design secret. So if you want that effortless, collected look in your home, a lot of designers turn to consignment stores to find those hidden treasures. And I always think it's a good idea to shop local. So today I'm gonna show you my favorite spots in Fort Lauderdale. First stop is Encore Interiors. Let's go check it out. So I'm here today with Z, the fabulous SA here at Encore. And Z, what is different about Encore than other consignment stores in the area?
We have very updated and designing pieces also. And when you come in, that's when you really find out what we have.
Yes, and they have, like she said, a ton of designer brands that you can get for a knockdown on the price. So definitely come and check it out. Today, Z, I'm actually looking for a dining set. Okay. I'm designing a home in Miami.
Oh, beautiful.
And it's 8,000 square feet, this huge, beautiful castle. And I'm trying to find a table that would look good in this dining room. I just love all the furniture pieces in the store. I mean, look at the wide selection. It's a massive store. How many square feet is this for?
25,000 square feet.
And what's really cool about Encore is that everything's listed online, right?
Yes, we have an update website when you can visit. And if you see something, just call the office and we give you a measurement. We save you one time to come here.
Yeah.
I do a measurement for you. I will give all the information for the furniture and you can put 24 hours hold, minimum 5 items. And no obligation, no deposit, but it's because not to lose the item.
Z knows. I will literally text her. I see an item on the website. I'm like, can you place it on hold? And then she has it all ready for me when I come in.
Yes. Okay, so what I wanted to show you, actually, we get like a very nice, but not big, oval table.
Okay.
It's from Italy.
Beautiful.
And look at this.
This is really nice.
Oh,
too.
yes, it's from our house.
Yeah.
Yeah. For the original price, it goes for close to 10,000.
Oh, wow.
And now we have it. It's from our house. 20% off already.
This is beautiful.
And look at the quality, the glass. Yeah.
That is
We just have to make
piece.
sure, yes,
Yeah.
it is.
While we're here, I want to explain how the pricing here works, which is super cool, Z.
Yes.
So do you want to explain kind of how the markdowns work by date?
Yes, we have 3 prices because we have 90 days contract with the consignor. So the first date, and is when the item came in, so that's the full price. And the second month, we go down for 20%. And the last month, the third month is 50% off. And so you just go by the date to find the right price.
And it's super cool because if you come in and you see an item you love and you're like, oh, it's still a little bit too much, you just check back in on the next date and it might still be there for an even lower price.
How big is that place?
It's really large, but the dining room itself is maybe about 20 feet long.
Oh, 20 feet.
But it doesn't need to be a 20-foot table. This is nice too,
It's
but
beautiful.
not as modern. You know, think
Not
more like rust, like
okay.
something that's a little more of the time.
So you keep the castle look.
Keep the castle look, yes.
Okay, so let's go this way. So this table, actually, it's beautiful, one of the kind, like real wood. Not too many tables you find
that are really
now.
good like
Yes,
that.
they have 2 leaves you can put in and make it bigger.
What do I see over there? I love this.
Oh yes, that's like more like a castle,
Yeah,
like, you know,
this looks
something
really
heavy.
Cool. I saw that. And I was
Yes.
Like, yes.
Yes, not with the chairs.
Not with these chairs.
Yeah, so this one, it came in $29.99. It just came in.
Okay.
It's gonna drop on the 13th for 20%.
Okay.
But
And who makes this?
and this is Cabrera. Also.
I mean, something like this would actually be perfect. Maybe different chairs, but
no,
something
different
like this
chairs,
is nice.
definitely.
I love this. So Encore, you can find the coolest kind of vintage things that you honestly can't even buy online, even if you wanted to, because they don't make them. Like, look at this really cool wine collector's travel box. Now, this is real genuine leather with an exposed stitching. And then you have a section where you can put your wine bottles while you travel. And then look at these super cool accessories like a wine bottle opener, a cork stop, a pitter, and a thermostat. I mean, this is definitely coming home with me.
You have to go around 3 times. I always recommend that.
Honestly.
Because you always find something, you know? And if it's not today, the next day, if something comes and it's like, oh, it's mine.
Yes.
Yeah.
Now show me this table.
Yes, it's huge.
It is huge. I would have to measure and see if it would
So,
fit.
but it's a leaves inside. So it's 2 leaves inside already. Okay.
So you can remove these.
So you can remove, we can remove this. And I think the chairs is coming with it. Let's see
So it's
the
a complete
price.
set?
Yes. Oh yes, it's the whole set.
Less than general Oyster Bay and then
Yes.
the dining.
Yes. So with all the chairs, it's how many chairs? It's like 12 or
12
40. That's
Yeah, 12.
12, yeah. So this is the other one, but I know the other one is like between, it's transitional.
I see. I like the
Yes.
concrete one
Yes,
much better.
yes,
Yeah.
I know. So this table,
Oh, this is really cool.
this is really cool, and you can adjust it. And we just have to make sure, because when you look
Like
down,
this.
you know, it's the way we have to adjust it.
Yes.
But when you look
you can slide.
easily,
I like that it's actually open underneath, so that when you're
Yes.
sitting there, your legs
Yes.
aren't banging against the thing.
that's very true.
Yeah.
Yes, this is organ. You know, I'm like it's beautiful, but
I think that's
here.
still, that
And-
one
and
has
the-
my
yeah.
heart. Yeah.
yes, and the size of it. You know,
Yeah.
it's like
So how about this? To put this on a watch list for me,
yes,
and then I'm gonna verify with the homeowner and see if this is something that he likes.
yes,
But I think it would definitely work, and if the price drops down,
yes.
I think it's a buy.
Your total is $48.15, please. It was such a pleasure.
Thank you so much.
No,
It's
thank
always
you.
great seeing you, and I will definitely be back.
Yes. See you next time.
ya.
Okay, keep in touch. Bye-bye. Bye, everyone.
Now we're at Oddballs Nifty Thrift, and if you're not familiar with this store, you should be. Here you can expect to find a lot of quirky, eclectic, and sometimes very, very edgy pieces. Now, I don't care if you're a homeowner or a designer, a tourist, or just looking for something cool to do on the weekend, Oddball Nifty Thrift is literally a wonderland of some of the most amazing items you will ever see. So let's go check it out. I'm here with Tim now. He works in this amazing store.
Welcome to Oddballs. Live your best life in here. Let me know what I can discount for you.
That's awesome. And Tim, now let me know in 1 or 2 sentences what makes Oddball different from other consignment and thrift stores out there.
Organized chaos, and we treat you like family every day.
There we go. Thank you, Tim.
Appreciate you.
So Oddballs is one of those unique stores where you can just really come and pick up some really cool knickknacks. So if you're decorating, say like a bookshelf, or if you have some exposed shelving in your home, or even if you have like a buffet in your dining room and you just want some really cool pieces that you haven't seen before to go there, this is a great place to pick them up. This is one of those stores that you need to block out a good amount of time to really experience it, because there is so much stuff, like literally so much stuff in this store that it will take you hours, maybe even days to sift through everything. And they're constantly adding new stuff. So all of this stuff is on consignment. So basically the way the process works is if you see an item that you like, you grab it, and they only have what's out on the floor. So you can't have multiple sets of something if you don't see it. And another cool thing about this store is that you can always ask for a discount, and they often discount items even further than what you see. I mean, just everything from statues to lamps to vintage photos. Like if you have one of those projects where you're trying to have a lot of fun with it, or even for like a commercial project where you're doing a restaurant and you just kind of want to pick up those antique vintage items that you can't really find in stores anymore, this is a great place to look. And if you just look around, you just become inspired. I mean, whatever theme you're going for in your design project, you can find pieces for it. You know, there's a lot of items in the store where you can get a lot of cultural pieces. It's like shopping around the world in one place. I mean, we have some nice, beautiful china sitting next to these old Florida palm candle holders. And then the beautiful African giraffe statue. Your creativity can just explode in a place like this. I mean, check out these Kiss little bears. Now this could be a really cool thing if you're doing like a rock and roll theme in your home, and you just want one of those conversation statement pieces where everyone walks in and says, wait, where did you get those? Imagine these on a shelf in like an all black kitchen with some lighting on it. Super cool. Definitely named the store right. I mean, it is Oddballs for sure. You can just find everything. I mean, look at this handmade ceramic ashtray or this really fun and super cute tiger statue. I would put this in my home. And they have clothes too, so they don't stop at accessories. They have vintage suits, shawls, scarves, dresses, jackets. Like I said earlier, even if you don't have a project in mind, even if you don't need anything, this is a fun place to go to as an activity, as a date night, as a family activity. I mean, everyone will just have fun walking around and seeing all the amazing items. Check out this vintage mink coat. This is real mink, guys, I'm not even kidding. Or even this vintage Gucci bag. You can really just find so many things in the store, decor, clothes, artwork. Now I love this section. You can actually find really nice pieces over here to put in your home. We have all of these real marble, handcrafted accent pieces that would be perfect in a kitchen or on a shelf. And then you even have really beautiful crystals if you're into crystals. If you're a sports fanatic and you like really cool sports memorabilia, you can find that here too, from bobbleheads to signs to posters. I mean, this is super fun. Or if you're looking for a gift for Father's Day, for a birthday, you can find everything here. Look at these really cool Day of the Dead sculptures. And then you even have all of this tiki-inspired artwork that you could put on a wall or really design around in a really cool and eclectic way. All of their vintage stuff I just think is so fascinating, from their actually working vintage cameras to some of these kind of timeless pieces that if you're doing a space where you just want to bring in a little bit of the past, this is where you can find that decor. I love this leather choker. Like, I mean, it's just endless of possibilities. They have a ton of this really cool kind of marine and army gear. I mean, they have beautiful light fixtures like this vintage Budweiser piece. And also be sure to note that everything in the store is for sale. So even if you see stuff all over, this table, the chairs, this really cool dining table set, all of it's for sale. So don't just look at the items on the surfaces, look at the surfaces themselves, like this coffee table. There's even a whole outdoor section that has plants and little sculptural pieces that you can put in your garden or around your back patio. Now I know that we said we were just gonna see two of my favorites, but we're actually gonna check out a third one because it's right across the street, and this store is filled with some of the coolest mid-century pieces that you're gonna find here in Fort Lauderdale. We're at 50s, 60s, and 70s living. Let's go check it out and see if the name lives up. I'm here with Paul right now. He's the owner of this amazing store. Now, Paul, what makes 50s, 60s, and 70s living different from other mid-century stores?
I'm the only one in this neighborhood who sticks very much with exactly what I say on the door. I do 50s, 60s, and 70s. I do a bit of 30s sometimes because deco comes into it, and the 80s will filter in, but all the stuff in my store is original. There is no reproduction items in here. It's all it says what it is on the label.
I love that. He sticks to his brand, and it's very niche centered.
Yes.
So even pieces, you have some really amazing stuff in here, like the Surrealist piece.
That's a Bustamante piece. He's a Mexican artist.
Wow.
And that's probably made in the 70s. In fact, the documentation is with that. It'll tell you what it is, and I can't remember the exact date. But Sergio Bustamante is known often for big, weird ceramic pieces, and also he did a lot of brass animals as well. He did the birds, he did seals, he did sea lions, he did all sorts of things. But that one is one of his more peculiar pieces.
I love that.
Yeah.
You know, I love surrealism.
Yeah.
And so, how does it work in the store? Is it consignment?
No, I source it, I pay for it, and everything in here is mine. I don't like other people bringing stuff in. I like to choose what I pick out, and I get the option to do that.
So you have control over the quality and the brand.
Exactly.
You know exactly what you're advertising.
Exactly.
And when you're sourcing pieces, what do you look for? Do you look for more local artists or more brand names?
It's a passion, this thing. You've got to get things, I think, that nobody else has got. I buy some things I know how to make money with. I also buy things which hopefully you won't find anywhere else, like this.
Yes.
I mean, this is it's actually a bokeh artist. And there's a piece up in Palm Beach in Antique Row, a huge big art installation piece.
Wow.
It's massive, but it's
a beautiful tone.
It is. It's just such an unusual, and it's hand done, and there is There won't be another one. There might be something else like it, but there won't be another one of those.
And then I see this beautiful clam piece over here. Like,
That's Canadian. It's by a company called Rougier. They did a whole range of lamp in the 70s. They did this is one of the biggest they did. It's called the clamshell. It's probably, we have to remember now, the 80s is 40 years ago. It's survived 40 years. I like that you see the mass of the sculpture.
yes, and it's so opaque that you can't see through
yeah, you
the
can't
glass.
see through. Yeah, that's what, to me, what makes a light.
Yes.
When you can see the bulb, it doesn't do it for me.
And something like this, it's so simple, but it makes such a big impact. It's a conversation piece. in space.
Exactly.
So what would you say that you sell the most of here? Is it your furniture? Is it your lighting? Is it your small knickknacks?
I don't know. You never know from day to day who's going to come in and buy what. It's so good. I've sold probably thousands of sofas.
Yeah.
We sell a lot of sofas. They get cool sofas. We get funky sofas.
Right now, what's your favorite sofa in the store?
At the moment, probably the one in this room. Come this way. I love that sofa. It's just so 60s.
It's part of the same set
Yeah,
that's
part
in
of
there?
the same set, yeah.
I mean, the shape, the mixture of the wood with the leather and the way that it's not like a rigid leather, it's like soft and it flows.
Yeah, with the oak framing, it's nice. It's a nice piece of furniture.
And this could be staged in a very, very high-end home and look lovely.
Exactly. It's all about the staging, isn't it, really? As you know, it's how it's presented is what's important.
You have this natural wood mixed with like a chrome, which you wouldn't think to pair the two.
But what to me, the grain almost looks like it's drawn on, but it's not.
Almost like a wing of a plane.
Yeah, exactly. It's a fabulous thing. That really excited me this morning.
Fascinating.
Yeah.
So tell me about
That
plate
is
here.
Italian 1950s. 1955. That's 60 years ago.
That is a beautiful plate.
And and really that's a wall plaque. That should go on the wall.
Exactly, or even sitting on a shelf with some downlighting on a stand.
It's great.
That is beautiful.
If you know a Leo, you'll need to buy that for a Leo.
Yeah, I think I might actually get this one.
Good.
Paul, is there anything that you want people out there to know about this store?
Follow us on Instagram as well. You're on Instagram?
Yes, yeah.
Follow us on the 50s, 60s, 70s retro living, and you'll find us there. And we often do a tour of the store to let you know what's coming in and what's going to happen, and what is going to be there next.
I love that. Well, thank you so much
You're
for showing
welcome.
us around, Paul.
You're welcome.
I think I am going to walk away with this.
Enjoy
plate,
it.
So
Just thank you for coming by.
Of course, it's been a pleasure. If you're looking for a design team that'll go the extra mile just to make sure your home is just right, call Exclusive Living today at 954-228-7833 or email admin@exclusiveliving.net. We'll see you on the next one.